Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're all doing great and well in these times. In this video, I'm showing you how to enable gestures in OnePlus mobile. If you are a OnePlus user, this video will help for you. And also, if you want to reverse the process, you will get navigation buttons. And let us aim 100 likes for this video. With this, let's get started. Open settings and buttons and gestures. There you find an option called navigation and gestures. You can see three options. Out of these, two are gestures related and remaining one is navigation buttons. We're having two types of gesture options. One is swipe left or right to go back and bottom to go home. And another one is bottom left or right to go back and center for home. You can select you want it. That's all about the video guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe techbunny for more tech related videos. As usual, my name is Rajshekar and I will catch you in the next one.